you have got a link through the chat box. Just check the link here. Through the chat box you got a link. You have to go through this link. Can you listen me properly? Can you hear me properly? What I am saying? Just go through that link. You will get a PDF of a book from NCERT, okay, or CBSE. And do also go through the book. There is a math book. There are some interesting problems given in that book. Just go through that book. Through that link, you will got the PDF of that book. Have you got it? What I am saying? The link given to you through that link. Whenever you gone through that link, you will get a PDF of a book. There are some interesting problems of mathematics given there. Just go through that problems. Okay. Okay, very good. So now coming back to the exercise number 9.1. Up to which one we have done? Please tell me. Anyone? Up to 1 or 2? I think up to 2 we have done. Up to 2. Yes, from 3 we will start. Very good. And also tell me, how was your exam going? What about your exam? Nice? Fine? Good? Okay, thank you for giving response. Okay, so now move on to question number 3. Go through the problem first of all. Question number 3, a long problem. These are the word problems. First of all, go through the problem. Exercise number 9.1, problem number 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides. Yes, Chetna, yes, welcome to the class. Okay, now go through the problem first of all and then try to do it yourself, and I am telling you once again, if you are doing in your copy and if you are doing the class on mobile phone, take a pic with a mobile phone and send me here, I will check it out. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the range of 5 years, she prefers to have slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle 30 degree to the ground, whereas the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So here are two cases. One is for below 5 years. I am drawing 2 figures here. One is for below 5 years. Below 5 years. And for the below 5 years, suppose this is the triangle ABC. Here AB height is the 1.5 meter and the angle is 30 degree. 30 degree. So figure may be of this kind of angle is 30 degree. Okay. Now the another case, that is for the above 5 years. Above 5 years. Here height is 3 meter and the angle 60 degree. Okay. This is PQ word. Okay. Now, what should be the length of the slide in each case? So you are asked to find here AC for the first one, AC is unknown, and for the second one, PR is unknown. Very easy one. Do it in your copy. Very easy one. You are asked to find AC from the first figure and PR from the second one. So from the first figure, you can see AC by AB. I am telling you once again, you should put the unknown in the numerator and the known in the denominator. Now hypotenuse by perpendicular with respect to this angle, 30 degrees. With respect to this angle, this will be the perpendicular, the opposite side, you know that, and the adjacent side is the base. So hypotenuse by perpendicular, that means which T ratio? Tell me here, which T ratio? Yes, thank you for sending the pic. Just send me in portrait mode, okay? Just the vertical mode, send me here. It will be better for me. Yes, sine 30 degree, very good. So AC equals to AB into sine 30. So 1.5 into sine 30 means value of sine 30. Value of sine 30? 1 by 2. So what is the value of AC? AC here? Here I am writing hypotenuse by perpendicular. So is it sine or cosec? I think it is cosec. It is cosec. Hypotenuse or perpendicular, that is cosec, not sine. Yes, so it will be 1.5 into 2, that's why it is 3. I am telling you again, once again, it will be better for calculation if you put the unknown in the numerator and known in the unknown in the numerator and known in the denominator. Now the second one, PR by PQ, again that is cosec 60. So what will be the value? So PR means 3 into, it will be 2 by root 3. So ultimately 2 root 3, isn't it? Yes, I am checking here. Yes, cosec 3 and root 3. Yes, very good. Very good. The name Srijan Srivastav. So we got here the slide in each case, length of the slide in each case. Okay. Can I move on to the next one? Am I audible? Yes. So I am erasing the board. Just write the answer in one sentence, okay? Use one sentence for write down the answers. Go through the problem. First of all, go through the problem. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So Suppose the triangle is ABC, you are asked to find the height of the tower, that means AB. Now here ABC equals to 30 meter, that is given to you, and the angle of elevation, that is from the foot, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point of a ground, that is the point is C, the angle of elevation is here. Yes, wait, I am checking, 30 degree. Now here with respect to this angle, base is given to you, you are asked to find the perpendicular. So here BC equals to 30 meter, angle ACB equals to 30 degree. Now from right angle triangle ABC, AB by BC equals to what? Perpendicular by base, what? Tan, yes, tan 30. So AB equal to 30 into tan 30 means 1 by root 3. Very good. After rationalizing it, we will get 30 root 3 by 3. That means after cancelling, it will be 10 root 3. Isn't it? So the write in one sentence, height of tower, that is 10 root 3 meter. 10 root 3 meter. Yes. So now move on to the next one, question number 5. I am erasing this one. Question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. Yes. So again similar type of figure. Here the kite is flying at a height of 60. So here AB equals to 60 meter, that is given to you. So AB equals to 60 meter, that is given to you. Now the angle is also, angle of the string 60 degree. You are asked to find the length of the string, that is AC. So angle ACB 60 degree, AC equals to question mark. Now from the right angle triangle, AC by, AC is the hypotenuse here and AB is the perpendicular again. So AC by AB, what? AC by AB, tell me again, what? Yes, cosec. So cosec 60. So AC equals to 60 into cosec 60, that is 2 by root 3. So after calculating, it will give you, so 120 root 3 by 3, that means 40 root 3 meter. Yes. So write in one sentence the answer. Write in one sentence the answer, length of the string. Therefore, length of the string 40 root 3 meter. Is it all right? Is it all right? Respond. Okay, so move on to question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building, and find the distance he walked towards the building. Very important one, question number 6. Just go through the problem again. A 1.5 meter tall boy. Okay. So that means whenever you drawing the figure here, this is 1.5 meter tall boy. As his eyes is at this point, that means this is C, A, B, C. Okay. Now he's just swings towards the top of the building at 30-degree angle. Now he walks to the some point and the angle becomes 60 degree. Okay, this is the figure. Now if the yes, I am checking, Isanur. Wait. Yes, I am checking. Here, suppose AE is the building. So here AE equals to question number 6. Here AE equals to, the given is 30 meter. 30 meter. This is 30 meter. Okay. Now whenever the boy is standing here and you have to subtract 1.5 because the eyes is at point C. So parallelly you have to subtract the BE portion. So AB equals to AE minus BE. So 30 minus 1.5, that is 28.5 meter, isn't it? Yes, 28.5, isn't it? So you have to do the calculation with 28.5. Okay. Now you are asked to find the measurement of this measurement. It moves from C to the point D. So you are asked to find here CD. That means the subtraction of bases of two triangles. That means first of all you take ABC. Now from triangle ABC we have BC by AB, that is equals to tan 30, isn't it? Tan 30. Yes, I am checking. So the BC BC equals to 28.5 by root 3. Okay, from ABC. Now take ABD from triangle ABD. We have BD by AB it is tan or cot? It is tan or cot? Base by perpendicular. BC by AB, it is tan or cot? Yes, it is cot, not tan. This is cot, cot 30. Just do one correction here, it will be cot 30. So 28.5 into root 3. Now here BD by AB, that is cot 60. So that means BD equals to 28.5 into 1 by root 3. Now subtract 2 from 1. Okay. Now just do the subtraction. I am erasing this portion. Just do the subtraction. 2 from 1. It will be BC minus BD. That means DC. We will get DC. DC means 28.5 will taken common, then root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Okay, meter. Just do the calculation and tell me the answer. 28.5 into 3 minus 1, 2 by root 3. That means 57 root 3 by 3, that is 19 root 3 meter, isn't it? 19 root 3, yes, 19 root 3. If the method is clear, in this method I am doing in the board, is the method is clear to you? Yes, now I am checking. Is that method is clear to you? Yes, it will be caught. I think just do the calculation at the end, not that EF equals to 33. 33. Srijan, just take the calculation and do the calculation at the end, not that at every step. Do the calculation at the end of the problem. That means here, whenever you are subtracting the bases, here it is base by perpendicular. I am doing the problem with the help of base by perpendicular. That's why cot is used here, cot. Yes, Isanur, BC equals to BD plus DC. Yes, you are correct. Yes, I am checking, Isanur. So for today time is over. Any queries, any question? We have done up to question number 6 today. Any queries? In some problems or in the it is asked to do, you are writing root 3 equals to 1.732, you are asked to put here root 3 equals to 1.732. In some problems it is given. Okay, whenever it is given to you or in the question it is given that just put or using root 3 equals to 1.732, then you will use the value, no problem. Otherwise just keep it in this form, 19 root 3. Okay, so that's all for today. We will be back again here in the new class and we will solve from question number 7. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.